The RR450 Woodchipper by Range Road is the largest in the Range Road lineup of woodchippers. The RR450 boasts an amazing 6-inch wood chipping capability with speed control to get any job done quickly and efficiently. The hydraulically driven forward and reverse feed makes sure any jams are quickly resolved with less downtime. The conveniently located shutoff bar and kill switch keep you safe on the job. The RR450 is equipped with a 26 horsepower electric start engine, 2 hardened steel reversible blades, and a 360-degree rotational chute. Towing features of the RR450 include torsion axles, 12-inch wheels, LED lights, a 2-inch ball hitch with safety chains, and an adjustable tongue jack. The Range Road RR450 Woodchipper is ready for any of your chipping needs. Put one of these beasts to work today.